We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 9. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. So we just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. And here is project description. We just increase the size, change its color. So in today's video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get good grade. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? So in today assignment we have 14, 17, 18, 19, 22. We have 22 questions in today assignment. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. So in today's video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre project description. So you are an assistant to the manager of Sugar House District Theatre, where touring Broadway shows are performed. You created a workbook for a weekend evening performance to track the number of seats available and sold in each section of the theater. Okay, along with gross revenue, you are ready to complete the workbook. So that was just simply instruction or description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what will our result or output. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. Steps to performs. Here's instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file name, this one, okay, that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Then Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open the solution file. Okay, this one. Okay, I think so. We just we have to open not that one. We have to open this one. Okay, then when there is one condition, when you open the file, Excel promotes you to fix circular error. Click or press OK to continue. Okay, so we have to open the file that is now this one. Okay, we are just opening the wrong file in start. Yes, okay. So in fast forward, So first part is done, in which we have to open the file that we call start file that we have downloaded from Pearson platform. Now moving to our next part. The first column in the template worksheet contains cells with a different font, color, and labels of identification. You want to fill this formatting across the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday worksheet. Okay, that was just simply instruction about question number 2. Our main part of question number 2 is start from here. Group the template Friday, Saturday, Sunday worksheet. Okay, we have to make them in group. Template Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hold on control key. Okay. Okay, so first we have to make them in group. Template Friday, Saturday, Sunday worksheet. How we have to make them group? We just simply click one sheet, then hold on control key, then we have to select all other sheet that we have to make them in group. Okay, then fill the formatting for the range A5 to A20. Where is A5? Here is A5 to A20. First we have to select this one. The editing fill across the worksheet, and we have to fill format. Okay, simply press OK, so that will be done. Now all sheet have the same format. Okay, all those sheets that are in group form, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 2, we have to group the template Friday, Saturday, and Sunday worksheets. After making them in group, then we have to fill the formatting of the range A5 to A20. Now moving toward question number 3, you notice that a formula is missing on worksheet. So you will insert a formula simultaneously. Okay, so with worksheet we still grouped in cell E20. Okay, we have to move towards cell E20. Here's E20. Yes, then enter formula to subtract grand total percentage sold from 1. Okay, here we have to in formula equal that subtract, enter formula that subtract grand total percentage yes for sold, this one minus 1, press enter and get the result. Okay, from 1. Okay, from 1 mean that we have to subtract that from 1 mean this one. Okay, then simply press enter and get a result. Then apply bold to the cell. Now we have to apply their bold, so select this one and simply press Ctrl B, that is shortcut for bold. So question number 3 is done, and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 3, with worksheet still grouped in cell E20, enter formula to subtract the grand total percentage sold from 1. Then apply bold to the cell. We have applied and we got 4 marks from there. Okay, so question number 1, 2, 3 is done. Now moving toward question number 4. The range I4 to J7 display the average number of seats sold in each section. However, two results display this error because template does not contain sample values in some section. So you will edit the formula to avoid the error. Okay, so with worksheet still in grouped form, okay, then edit cell J5 by enclosing the average function. We have to move towards cell J5. Edit cell J5 by enclosing average function with an if error. Okay, now we have to edit that with if error. If error, okay, with an if error, the value if error argument should display the text missing and data. Okay, now we have to copy this text from here, then comma and type missing. Yes, then simply press OK. Then copy the function to the range J6 to J7 fill without formatting. Preserve the border. Now we have to fill that there, and we have to fill the front ruler there. Okay, so question number 4 is done and we got 10 marks from there. So now you may see there isn't that error showing. Okay, now showing missing data. So in question number 4, the range I4 to J7 displays the average number of seeds sold in each section. There we have to edit a cell J5 by enclosing the average if function with an if error function. The value if error argument should display the text missing data. Then copy the function to the range J6 to J7. Fill without formatting to preserve the border. And we have done and we got 10 marks from there. Okay. Now moving toward question number 5. Then hide the template worksheet. Where is a template worksheet? This one. Right click and hide that one. Okay. So it's mean that we have to make them just like we have to ungroup them, then right click on template sheet and there is hide option, so template sheet will be hided. Okay, so we have on 3 marks from there. So in question number 5 we just hide the template worksheet and we have on 3 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. The totals worksheet contains summary data. You will insert hyperlink to the number of seats sold in each respective worksheet. So on the total worksheet in cell E5, total worksheet in cell E5 here, here. Insert a hyperlink to cell C20 of a Friday worksheet. Or right click, insert hyperlink to here Friday worksheet with screen tips. This one, okay, we have to in screen tips also. So copy Friday seed sold from here, then click on screen tips and in that one press OK and done. Now this become link. When we click on this link, then we just move toward Friday worksheet. Yeah, Friday worksheet cell E1. So it's working. Okay, so first part is done. Now moving toward next part. In a cell E9 we have to insert a hyperlink to cell C20 of a Saturday worksheet. Okay, and here also we have to in screen tips Saturday seed sold. So we just move toward E6 here, or right click, and here we have to in a hyperlink to Saturday worksheet, but now we have to hyperlink to cell C20. So right there C20, and there is there is screen tips also for this one. So copy this one, then screen tip and paste that one also here, this one, and press OK. Now when we click on this Saturday sheet, this Saturday link, that will move toward Saturday C20. Okay, so this part is done. Then in next part of question number 6, we have to move towards cell E7, insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in Sunday worksheet, and there is also screen tips, this one. Okay, so we move to our total worksheet here, or right click, insert a hyperlink to Sunday sheet, also C20 right there. And for screen tips, we have in Sunday sheet sold. So we just in this one, press enter and get the result. Okay, now when we click on this link, we just move towards Sunday sheet, cell C20. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6, after following question number 6, we have earned 9 marks from there. So on totals worksheet in cell E5, insert hyperlink to cell C20 in Friday worksheet with screen tips Friday seed sold. In cell E6, insert hyperlink to cell C9 in Saturday worksheet with screen tips Saturday seed sold. In cell E7, we have to insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Sunday worksheet with screen tips Sunday seed sold. We have earned and we get the result. Test what test? Test the hyperlinks to ensure work correctly. Yeah, we have checked all links are work correctly and we have earned 9 marks from there. Now moving to question number 7. Now you are ready to insert formula with a reference a number seed sold of Friday's performance. So in cell B5, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in the worksheet, in the Friday worksheet. Now in cell B5, is B5, there is B5, we have to insert 3D reference to cell C20 of Friday worksheet equal, then move toward Friday worksheet and select C20. That will make 3D C20. Press enter. Okay, so question number 7 is done and we have earned 7 marks from there. Okay, so in question number 7, we just move towards cell B5, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in Friday worksheet. Same way we will solve other parts also step by step. You may see we have just 20 to 21 question in today's assignment. Out of 20 question, we have done almost half of assignment in today's video. Remember that in today's video we have discussed XP ExcelCh09CumulativeTheatre project description. In start we just discussed project, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then in question number 2 we have to make the group of worksheet template Friday, Saturday, Sunday worksheet, then fill the formatting E5 to E20. Then in question number 3 we have to, with the worksheet still grouped in cell E20, enter formula, subtract the grand totals percentage sold from 1. Okay, then apply bold. Then in question number 4 we have to use if error function in cell J5. Okay, then in question number 5 we have to hide the worksheet. Then in question number 6 we have to create a hyperlink to cell E5, E6, E7. Okay, then in question number 7 we have to move towards cell B5, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet. So we have done almost half of assignment in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, and the result will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. In today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. We have discussed almost half of assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.